on? What's going on? I'm Kenya Crooks, the world's greatest weight loss expert. And today I'm doing combo moves. I'm doing body parts, different body parts. So today we're going to focus on your abs, on your thighs, and on your booty, all that other good stuff. But before we get started, make sure you like, make sure you share. Most importantly, make sure you subscribe to this awesome and amazing channel, because I'm going to drop something on you daily, because I want to encourage you and I want to make sure you're awesome in every area of life. Also, too, make sure if you're trying to get rid of your FUPA, you're trying to be FUPA free with the K to the C, make sure you get my Super Stomach Shredder membership. Make sure you get the monthly membership and not the one-time combo. And again, we're going to work on your FUPA. We're going to wave bye-bye to it. We're divorcing it just in time for the summer. So if you're trying to get 2-piece sexy and you're trying to get into those sexy black little dresses, make sure you get the Super Stomach Shredder membership. I'll put the link in the description and also in the comment section. So you got two places to find it. So with that being said, let's go. Today, you're going to need bands. You're going to need a water bottle, because I use everything around your house. That's the beautiful thing about this program, is that I use stuff around your house just to make sure you're good. You don't need a gym membership. And also, get a stool, or you can use the edge of your couch, or you can just use a chair, okay? So with that being said, leg up. Now, grab your bands. Boom, we're laying it down. We're working lower abs, we're working thighs. Boom, give me this for 30 seconds. Give me this for 30 seconds. We're fluttering. Give me this for 30. Oh, hang in. Hang in. Hang in. 15 more seconds. Hang in. Hang in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you knocked out 30 seconds, put 30 in the comments for me, please. Put 30 in the comments. I need to do that again in 3, 2, 1, let go. And the beautiful thing about this move, even if you don't have bands, you still can do this move. You still can flutter without the bands. I'm just saying. Let's go. 10 more seconds. Hang in. Hang in. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop it. If you made 30, put 30 in the comments again. Put 30 in the comments. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I need this one more again. Okay? Leg out. Boom. Shoot. Legs locked. Legs locked. You also gonna feel this in your hip flexors. Okay? I like to call that the path to righteousness. So that little bikini line, that little old pretty little line, yeah, it's going to make that a little bit deeper, okay? So when you throw that bikini on, it's going to look even more ridiculous, okay? Hang in there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. If you made 30 seconds, matter of fact, if you made 3 rounds of 30 seconds, just put 90 in the comments for me, please. Now I want to play for 1 minute. I want to go in and out. Boom. I want to go in and out. Now the trick here, okay, don't bring your feet all the way back together, okay? You want to keep applying pressure to your thighs by not bringing them together, okay? Just like so. We're going 1 minute. We're going one round of 1 minute. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go get them. Go get them. But again, don't let your feet come together. Don't let it do it. It's going to want to, but you got to deny yourself. Working thighs and lower abs and hip flexors. Hang in there. I know you want to drop your feet, but refuse to lose. Hang in there 30 more seconds. You got this. You got this. You got this. Hang in there, y'all. Hang in. 15 more seconds. Hang in. Hang in. Hang in. for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. If you made 1 minute, put 1 minute in the comment section. Now you're going to scoot the bands down, okay? You're going to scoot them down to your feet. So now we're going to basically ride the bike. You're going to ride the bike for 1 minute. It's going to burn, but again, imagine how amazing your thighs going to look and your abs. It's going to just be ridiculous this summer. We're going to shut down some rooms. So let's go 1 minute, okay? In 4, 3, 2, 1. Hop on your bike. Hop on your bike. Hop on your bike. Again, if you don't have bands, you still can hop on your bike. You might not have a chain on your bike, but you still have a bike, okay? So push, 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 push. Stay aggressive. Push, push. Stay aggressive. 30 more seconds. Come on. Stay aggressive. Stay aggressive. Stay aggressive. Stay aggressive. Stay aggressive for the last 10 seconds. Go as fast as you can. Punch, 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 punch. 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, 1. Yes, if you made 1 minute, put 1 minute in the comment section. Grab your stool, please. Grab your stool. Grab your chair. Grab whatever you need in order to succeed. Now, this move right here is for your hamstring. It's a hamstring move, okay? So all you're going to do, boom, you're going to pulsate. Boom, just like that. You're going to pulsate, okay? And we're going to do it for 1 minute. In 5, we're pulsating, y'all. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go get it. You pulsating. You pulsating. Just like so. You're going to feel this in the back of your legs, okay? Now, here's the thing. And this is what I want you to think about, okay? So you want your booty to go pow when you step out. But you also want your hamstrings to go pow when you step out. And you also want your calves to go pow when you step out, okay? So that's why we're working these hamstrings, because we want that trifecta, okay? Hang in, 15 more seconds. Come on. Hang in, hang in, hang in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. If you made 1 minute, put 1 minute in the comment section for me, please. Now we're getting up. We're getting up. You're going to put the bands on. Okay? Putting the bands on. Putting the bands on. And all you're going to do, you rock it with me now. So, you'll be here. Boom. Going back. Going forward. Going back. Going forward. Going back. Going forward. 1 minute. Okay? In 4, 3, 2, 1. Rock with me. Yeah. 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 Stand on your toes. Okay? Stand on your toes. Stand on your toes. Good. Keep your stomach sucked in the entire time too. Again, we're working abs, thighs, booty. Boom. So stay aggressive. And when you're jumping, stay as wide as you can. That's the whole trick. Challenge yourself with every jump. 30 seconds. Hang in. Hang in. Hang in. 15 more seconds. Come on. Hang in. Think about that body you want. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. If you made 1 minute, number one in the comment section for me, please. Now, grab your water, please. Grab your water. Grab your water. It looks like water, but I'm going to use this water bottle, to work your abs and your thighs. So, all you're going to do, you're going to keep both feet up. So, we're just going to work one leg, both feet up. So, you'll be here, 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 boom, just like that, okay? So, we're going to do 30 on both legs. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go get it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you can't hold that foot up that's not moving, you can sit it down and still move it, but try to keep it up. Okay? So give me 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes! If you made 30, put 30 in the comments for me, please. Now we're going to do the other leg. In 5, you're doing amazing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, get it to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes! If you made 30, put 30 in the comment section. Amazing workout. Now, I gotta give you some life homework. This is your life homework. Trust yourself. Trust yourself. And if at any point in time in this video I say something that touches your spirit and offends you, and it steps on your toes, put toes in the comment section for me, okay? But I need you to trust yourself. Stay out of your head. Stay out of your mind. Because your mind is keeping you away from your destiny. You don't trust you. See, it's kind of set up like this. You want to do something, you get excited. Then the angel says, you can do it. You're built for this. You got this. Let's go forward. Then you got the little devil over here on your shoulder saying, now you remember last time you tried something, it didn't work. You told all your friends about it. You got embarrassed. Remember that? So, every time you're met with some adversity, when you're going through the process, his voice starts to get a little louder. Oh, you're about to fail again. Oh, here it comes. You're about to be embarrassed again. You're about to be sad again. Then that voice gets louder, so much so that you don't even hear this voice anymore. I need for you to turn this voice up in your life. Because that's the voice you're missing. Again, you were always listening to the negativity. And then you got sponsors of the negativity. You got them cousins. You got those relatives. You got your mama. You got your dad who always telling you what you can't do. And so you doubt yourself. You doubt yourself. Because now, because you haven't seen anything, you haven't seen any proof, you haven't seen any evidence, then you start to question yourself, well, maybe I'm not doing the right thing. Maybe this isn't for me. See, a lot of times we think that when we start stuff, we're supposed to see stuff immediately. It's like if I start working out today, I'm expecting to lose 10 pounds by tomorrow. No, it does not work that way. Okay? See, sometimes you just got to say within yourself, I'm not going to be a slave to my feelings. I'm going to trust the process. A lot of people checked out too early because of feelings. You can't let your feelings mislead you. If you're on a journey and you know that your path is divine, keep rocking that path. Keep going, even when you don't feel like it. Because again, there's a difference between being motivated and being committed. Being motivated basically says, if I see something on social media that inspires me, then I'll do something. But commitment says, regardless of how I feel, I'm still going to keep going. Even when I don't feel like getting out of bed, even when I feel sad, even when I feel miserable, even when I feel like I'm by myself, because I'm committed to seeing the better version of myself, I'm going to keep going. See, that's where I need for you to be. That's where I need for you to reside moving forward. So if you agree to start trusting yourself and keep going anyway, and get rid of all the negativity in your life, especially the people who don't want to see you do well, but who be pretending like they do. Again, I need for you to get to the better version of yourself, not only physically, but mentally and spiritually too. So if you got me, say I got you, coach, in the comments. Great job on the workout. Make sure you handle that life homework, because again, I got to make sure you're good. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And again, make sure you get my super stomach shredding membership, because again, I train superstars. And I'm going to help you look like one too. I'm going to become your unfair advantage this summer. So let's dominate the summer. How about that? Love y'all. Be good. I'm gone.